Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Fit Facts, and I'm absolutely excited to kick off our new daily lecture series with all of you. Whether you're a seasoned fitness enthusiast or just starting your health journey, this channel is designed to provide valuable insights and practical tips to help you thrive. Take a notebook and pen, activate your calendar, set a proper schedule. Let's start with us. On each day, we'll tackle a new topic. We'll dive into everything from nutrition and exercise science to mental wellness and lifestyle hacks. My goal is to empower you with knowledge that you can apply in your daily life. Here's a sneak peek of what's coming up. We'll explore meal prep tips to save you time and keep your nutrition on point. I'll share effective workouts you can do anywhere, no gym required. Plus, we'll discuss mindfulness practices that can boost your motivation and mental clarity. Cut to a clip of you working out or cooking engagements. Now, I know many of you might be juggling busy schedules, and that's totally okay. The beauty of this series is that it's flexible. You can watch at your own pace, revisit topics, and engage with our community in the comments. I want this channel to be a supportive space where we can all learn and grow together. So let's join the community of Dr. Fit Facts now by like, subscribe, press the bell icon and share this video to increase more family member. I encourage you to interact. Share your thoughts, questions, and experiences in the comments. Your feedback is invaluable and helps shape the content we create. Let's learn from each other and build a supportive network focused on health and wellness. Show positive testimonials or success stories from followers. To kick things off, I want to remind you that every small step counts. Whether it's choosing a healthier snack or going for a walk, those little changes can add up to big results. And I'm here to guide you along the way, providing the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. Celebrate health progress, and support one another through the ups and downs. Remember, health is a journey, not a destination. Let's embrace it together. Smiling every day can be a better option to release mental stress. Holding up a motivational quote or book. Let's start journey with us. If you find value in what we're doing here, please take a moment to like this video. Your support makes a huge difference and helps us reach more family members who are eager to improve their health. I'm thrilled to embark on this journey with you, and I can't wait to see you in upcoming lectures series. Subscribe now and share this video with your loved ones. Let's make health a priority together, one day at a time. Thanks you for watching, and see you soon.